Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm making a video about this Ram RHO. It's basically the new TRX. It's got the inline 6 high output engine. You're gonna get 540 horsepower. This thing is absolutely beautiful truck. It's got a lot of great features on it for off-roading, for fun. What's great about this one, instead of getting 8 miles per gallon like you used to get in the TRX, you have greatly improved fuel economy with the new engine. It has a lot more efficiency than it used to have, and you get all the cool off-road packages and stuff on the inside. I just want to make this video for y'all real quick so you can check it out and see what it's all about. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's see what this beast is all about, guys. Okie dokie, so here we go. I got this Ram RHO right here for everybody to check out today. Pretty cool truck. It's got the approach lights on it, animated LED approach lights. So you can see right there off the bat, really cool. This one's got extra LED lights because it's so wide. So it's got LED lights there. It's got LED lights right there because it is has the wide body kit on it, or whatever you call this from the factory on a truck. And then here you see it's got the nice big Goodyear tires on it. This metal bumper is going to be made out of metal. Parking sensors. It's also got all the safety stuff too, so if you're going to be using this for a long road trip, help reduce driver fatigue. Got that beautiful sport hood on it as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what the inside looks like. So on the interior here, you can see this one does have massaging seats. It's got a really nice stereo system, the Harman Kardon sound system. There's that Ram RHO badging. RHO is going to be for the Rhino. You got the little Rhino dude right there on the inside. It's got a 14-inch touchscreen on the inside. You're going to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless. This is a passenger screen, so really cool. You can hook up with an HDMI port right there. You got two dual wireless charging pads down here as well. And then look at this stuff. So this one's got the interior accents on the inside. So it's been upgraded with that beautiful red stitching and the red accents all the way through to really give it an extra pop, extra look. Really, really cool. Dual panoramic sunroof on the inside of this one as well. We'll check out the rest of the truck here. Let's go ahead and keep moving along. Massage seats, cooled seats, all the good stuff. I'm not sure what this is for, but I mean, if I own this thing, I'd have to put some red shotgun shells in there. I think it'd look pretty sweet. Pardon the mess in the back, but just wanted to show you here. So this is made to hold 11.5-inch iPad. So if you got kids, they can sit back here, listen to the radio. You got a full center console in this one. Really nice all-weather floor mats. That's what's inside those bags. MSRP on this one starting at $85,420. Doesn't mean where it's going to end at. Make sure you get a hold of me for the best pricing. I'll put my number here somewhere inside the video for y'all. On the back here, you can see you got a camera for your rear view mirror. It's a digital rear view mirror. You got the Bilstein, this is a mouthful, Active Terrain Dynamic Blackhawk E2 shocks. They work with the computer system and they help everything work better. They adjust to road conditions to give you a really smooth ride for all road conditions. Got a nice big exhaust, dual exhaust on the back of this one here. You got the trailer hookup, so you can put a trailer on the back, camera on the back of your trailer. And then a really cool feature they've started to add into some of these trucks too here. If we go ahead and lock it and then we press this here, it'll actually drop that tailgate for you. And the cool thing, a couple different ways you can do it. You can do it from the key fob, you can do it from inside the truck, or right here, this little button. Press that and it'll pull that thing up right there for you, just like that. Super clean, super easy. Awesome, awesome truck. Check out that wide body stance. It really gives it an aggressive look, like get the heck out of my way, here I come, I'm in a Ram, dude. Let's go ahead and hop inside here. This truck wouldn't be what it is without all the amazing off-road features and everything else that's inside this one. So you can see already, this one does have self-driving on it. So this is actually, it's gonna make sure that you're paying attention to the road. You do have that full self-driving on this one. So it's gonna allow you to put it in your navigation and help you get to your destination. Pretty cool stuff. Check out these huge paddle shifters on this one too. You can see them right there, the really big paddle shifters. Stereo controls just like you've had before in the past. Let me go ahead and hop up in here. and get all this turned on. So fire it up. Let's see what happens when we fire it up. So when you fire it up here, you can see you got the driver display, this display, you got cameras all over the place. It's crazy, crazy, crazy action. So advanced safety package, blind spot detection. It's got the new driver cards, so when you press this, you can switch through everything and see all the cool stuff on it. It's got your drive modes right down here. This is super cool. So when you press this, it's going to show you all your different drive modes. You can customize your drive modes. It has drive modes for the snow, rock, sport. If I owned it, I mean, I'd probably have to keep it in sport 24/7 because that seems like it'd be a lot of fun. And then over here, we won't look at all this stuff, but I want to look at the stuff that I think is the coolest. And that's all this stuff right here. This truck is made for fun. And so it has all the fun stuff on it. Like that right there is going to show you your 0 to 60 times. This is going to show you your race options. It even has launch control, so you can get a most efficient launch. When you do that, it'll give you step-by-step instructions up here on the dash to make sure you don't mess it up. It's pretty cool. Especially for a novice driver like myself, you'd really be able to figure it all out. And then you have all your different drive modes in here, and what's really cool is you can actually customize all those drive modes. Another thing you can customize on this truck and all other Mopar vehicles too that I love that you can do this is your safety features. I have a lot of families that buy vehicles from me, and you know, sometimes the wife will love the safety, sometimes the husband will hate the safety. So if that's you, you can set that all up with this truck using your keys, or you can even swipe down on this top deal here, go into profiles, and you'll be able to set up all your safety features and most of the stuff inside the truck for a custom profile. That way when you hop in here, it's just ready to go and you ain't gotta mess with it. Pretty cool stuff. I just wanted to do a brief overview to show you guys this Ram RHO before it is gone. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Mark over here at Cable Dahmer Dodge. Hopefully you love the Ram products as much as me. Comment down below what you think about the Ram RHO. Good, bad, ugly, I don't care. Just want to hear your true opinions. Thanks a ton for watching, and you guys have a great day.